If you're looking for an AI software that could seriously streamline your digital marketing efforts, AIEasyShot might just be the one for you. Released recently, it's packed with some really powerful features, and in this review, I'll break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. First things first, AIEasyShot is designed to be your ultimate assistant in creating high-quality, engaging content fast. Whether you're a digital marketer, a content creator, or just looking to save time, this software is here to handle the heavy lifting. With its AI-powered tools, it helps you shoot professional videos, generate content ideas, and even edit with minimal input from you. You're probably wondering, how much of the process does AIEasyShot really automate? Well, this AI software is incredibly intuitive. You don't need to have advanced technical skills. It's all about simplifying the content creation journey, making it as easy as possible. The AI analyzes your input, suggesting the best angles, shots, and scripts to use. What sets AIEasyShot apart is its automatic scene detection and smart recommendations for optimizing your content. With just a few clicks, the software can create multiple versions of a video tailored to different platforms. So if you're posting to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, it takes the guesswork out of format sizes, video lengths, and style preferences. This level of automation is definitely a time saver. Now, let's talk about something that makes AIEasyShot stand out in a crowded market. Its built-in analytics. This is crucial because it doesn't just help you create content, it tells you how to improve it. AIEasyShot offers deep insights into engagement and viewership trends, allowing you to tailor your future videos based on real-time feedback. Another thing that impressed me was its voiceover generation. The software doesn't just transcribe text. It creates professional-sounding voiceovers that match your video's tone and style. This is a game changer for people who don't have the time or resources to record their own voiceovers. Plus, it's available in multiple languages, making it great for reaching global audiences. But it's not just about automation. AIEasyShot integrates with your existing workflows, allowing for easy collaboration. If you're working with a team or outsourcing video production, this feature will save you hours of back and forth. You can try AIEasyShot for completely free from the link in the description below. It's a great opportunity to test out all these features firsthand and see how it fits into your business or content strategy. You'll see exactly how the software can save you time and increase the quality of your content production. To sum it up, AIEasyShot is perfect for anyone looking to create high-quality content without the hassle. If you're new to AI-powered video creation tools, it's one of the easiest to dive into. And after trying thousands of AI software, I've handpicked the best ones, so you can also check out my recommended AI tools in the description. Give AIEasyShot a try and see how it transforms your content creation game.